Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I'm a hot mess. I'm a whole chaos. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Today's video is a mashup of old footage that I had in my phone before Corona broke out, and new stuff that I had and didn't have enough, and I just didn't want to clean. What would you know? I don't like to clean. I've been saying that forever. I don't like to clean, but I have to clean. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and come back here on Friday. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like finger thumb situation. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's been a hot minute since I've recorded anything or wanting to record anything, you know, because of the whole nosy neighbor situation. They always see you moving and they want to see what you're up to. So I kind of starve them a little bit sometimes because they're just too nosy for me. They stay stalking my stuff. So today's video is going to be a cleaning video. I'm going to organize the little one's room. She is 3 years old. She doesn't have any organization system set up in her room, so her room is always a hot mess and very overwhelming for her, and she doesn't really like to go in there because of the mess that she creates. So today I am going to tackle that situation and get a system set up for her in which she will be able to organize and keep her own room clean. And yeah, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys all the stuff that I got, and then we're gonna clean. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this 6 cube organizer. I got it from Target. It was originally 60 bucks, but I paid 50 for it. It was like $10 off. With tax it was like 55. And then I went to Walmart because Target wanted $11 for one of these boxes. Walmart, you get them for $7. That's the better buy if you ask me. So I just got this little gold and cream one. That's all they had. Everything else was kind of like boyish. So yeah, I got her 4 of these because I feel like I can put, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then leave these 2 open for like books. I hope that makes sense. Okay, yeah, books. And then I'm thinking this can go in her closet, or they can sit on the top. I don't really care, as long as it keeps it organized. Don't mind my knife here. Don't know why it's there. I got these little bowls. I have the bigger ones for these, but I feel like when I do like soup and stuff, those bowls. Let me show you guys the comparison. So I have the gray ones. I love these. And look at that. See? Much smaller, much higher in height for like soup and chili and stuff like that. And I think the gray and the pink goes well together. So I got them 5, 1 each. I'm pretty sure the boys are gonna be like, I don't want to eat out of a pink bowl, but hey, you don't have a choice. And then I got Jaxson these 2 because his room is up next on the list. So let's get started.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
I don't know about you guys, but I hate organizing little tiny pieces of toys.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin?
All over the place. I'm a hot mess.
Where did it
Dirty.
end? Hanging on my
Um,
strings.
I just finished Maddie's room. I'm still working on the bed. And I have her, so it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to do anything with her because she makes more mess while I'm cleaning up, and I'm like, kind of like defeats the purpose. But I'm gonna try. I'm running a load of laundry to get all her clothes and stuff washed. Now that she's in preschool, she goes through a ton of clothes like none other. So I'm working on that so that I can include that in the video. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to update you, and I'm also doing dinner, so I just wanted to update you guys. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, guys. New day, new stuff to get into. Working on the stairs down here. If you guys can see that. Went to Walmart and Target again. I got the same storage thing for Jaxson. Got the same one. And then I got him bins for his room. He already has a little bit of storage going on. I got him these gray ones, gray and black one. So let's go upstairs, put it up together. and then clean up his room a little bit, and then come down, clean up the kitchen a little bit, and then by then it'll be time to go grab Maddie.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? The town, those simple lights wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Turn those little lights. La la, baby, won't you la la? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'ma quit. You gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river, talking in silver. You know it's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror, are you getting bitter? Don't you come around no more, baby, no, no more. Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'ma quit. You gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. La la, la la, la la, liar, 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 babe. La la, la la, la la, liar, liar, liar. La la, la la, la la, liar, 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 babe. La la, la la, la la, liar. Only photographs is what we have of what is left of us. Left of us. You don't think things through. No, I know you. Only photographs is what we have. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. La la, la la, la la, liar, 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 babe. La la, la la, la la, liar, 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 babe. La la, la la, la, liar, 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 babe. La la, la la, la liar. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm around. I got it, I gotta go, go, go. Running into better times. Go, go, go. From my emotions I'll go, go, go. Running into better times. To 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 better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching that mismatch situation. It was a couple of footage that I have from before Corona broke out, so I was like, I gotta get rid of it on my phone, so I just combined the two and made a video, and I hope it's long enough and you guys found cleaning motivation. Come back here on Friday, same place, same time, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.